Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is 3 ways to earn passive income for your business. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Passive income is the dream for many entrepreneurs because it's the ability to earn money while you sleep. Almost everyone wants to earn passive income, and I'm going to show you how you can supplement the active income you earn from your customers with additional passive income. Okay, let's get straight to it. Method number 1, affiliate marketing. Here's a quick definition. When I earn a commission for introducing a new customer to a company's products or services, that is called affiliate marketing. Globally, the affiliate marketing industry is worth 12 billion in 2021 and is predicted to grow by 10% in the next few years. Affiliate marketing can take place completely online and can happen 24/7, 365. Some of the most well-known online affiliate marketing programs are Amazon, Bluehost, and Shopify. To ensure your future success with affiliate marketing, you should definitely watch my video entitled Why Do Most Fail with Affiliate Marketing? I've put a link in the description under this video. Affiliate marketing is a good source of passive income because once you've set up your affiliate links on your website and social media bio pages, there's no more work for you to do. When people click on your affiliate links and purchase, you will earn commission. Method number 2, information products. The online learning space was worth 187.87 billion in 2019 and is forecast to reach 319.16 billion in 2025. When you create educational products and offer them to the marketplace, you are quickly achieving 2 things. A, you are establishing your credibility outside your immediate network and customer base, and B, you are creating another revenue stream. I have done this with my book How to Turbocharge Your Business with a Blog, and with my blogging and social media courses on Udemy, and now via my Patreon page. Of course, you have to work hard initially to create the book, the audio book, or write or create the online courses, but once your courses have been created, they'll become a good source of passive income for you, as long as you have an audience for your courses and people go on to purchase. Please note, you'll need to keep your courses up to date. If there are any changes that affect the course subject matter, you should create new lectures. Method number 3, website advertising. If you have a company website, there may be an opportunity for you to earn passive income by placing advertising on your website. You could start with Google Adsense. Google Adsense is a free program that enables you to put advertising on your website. Providing your website meets certain conditions and you're accepted into the program, Google will automatically place ads on your website and will split the revenue with you on a basis that works like this. 32% goes to Google, 68% goes to the website owner. You can find out more via the link in the description. Depending on your level of monthly unique visitors and page views, you may be able to progress to more exclusive ad networks, including Mediavine. There are other ad networks available. Which is the quickest method to get started? Of the 3 methods that I've discussed today in this video, affiliate marketing is probably the quickest. You could start from researching potential affiliate marketing programs to join, and they must be appropriate for your area of expertise. Don't join things that don't have an assistant link or aren't relevant to the area of operation that you work in. But you could start from scratch and then be accepted into a program and then implementing, i.e. putting your link on your website and your social media pages within 7 working days if you're accepted into the program. So affiliate marketing is the quickest to turn around. Something that is more scalable perhaps is the online educational courses, where once you create them, you can literally have thousands of people studying your courses. You created the work, it's there, it's accessible 24/7, and you could have thousands of people from around the world studying your courses. So there you have it, 3 practical ways that you can start to earn passive income for your business. Let me know how you get on with these different methods in the comment section below. And if you have any questions also, leave those in the comment section below. Thanks for watching all the way through, I appreciate it. If you found this video useful, please give me a like. Click on the thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks, bye bye.